A twister moves through quickly and leaves an incredible impact on areas within its path. When your non-polished natural stone, unglazed ceramic, or textured granite surfaces have built up grout and mortar residue, films, lime and hard water mineral deposits, heavy construction dirt, efflorescence, or surface rust, Twister Mineral Deposit Grout Film Remover is what you need. This highly concentrated hydrochloric acid-based formula works fast to solve those issues that standard cleaners are no match for. Concentrated Twister is easy on your budget as well. Just dilute 1 part Twister with 5 parts water and you are ready to go.